We've gone past the flag.
Montenegro. Welcome.
Welcome to Montenegro.
Is that better?
It's a new sticker day, and it is
Montenegro.
So at the next town we'll need to go shopping. Hopefully pick up a Montenegrin sim.
We're at Tara Canyon and it's been raining pretty much all morning, but although it's really grey skies and stuff now, the sun has come out. So we've come out for a walk and wow, look at this. That is high. It's the deepest canyon in Europe and apparently the second deepest canyon in the world, is that right?
Morning.
We've come to the Dermitor National Park today. We've been recommended to come because apparently there's a very beautiful lake known as the Black Lake. It's actually two lakes. In the summer you can walk between them, but in the winter they close up, so we may or may not be able to walk between them at this time of year. We're going to go and have a look.
Still a very pleasant walk through the trees. I was just approaching the lake and it looks...
It's not black.
It doesn't look black and it doesn't look high enough to warrant there being one lake. So there might never be a walkway between them.
This is what's known as Big Lake, and round there is Small Lake. Apparently in the summer and the winter it swaps around, the Big Lake draining into the Small Lake and the Small Lake draining into the Big Lake. Apparently it's called
Bifurcation.
Okay. The woods for the next part of the walk. It's so quiet here, but I bet in the summer it's really quite busy. It's a bit wobbly, is it, mate?
Not near that one.
There you go, Sam, there's one he hasn't done.
Almost reminiscent of the French balcony roads.
Yeah.
It's a long way down.
This is a long way down. I don't want to look.
In 1 kilometre, turn left onto the road, then keep left.
Well, we've just turned up at a campsite.
And
15 minutes from Podgorica,
Javez,
and we've been brought an aperitif,
which is brandy, essentially.
Yeah, a type of brandy.
And a small carafe of wine.
Oh,
It's nice, that is.
that is very nice.
Which is all included in the price for the two of us and the van with electric hookup of €15. You can't grumble at that, can you?
That's what, about
£13.50.
So that's not bad. We've got the vineyard to ourselves. You can see we're parked over there next to some vines, and we've been assured that this is the red wine
That they make
here. We can buy a litre.
for €10.
We might have to try some then.
We might. Hopefully we'll find somewhere to camp down there tonight and maybe tomorrow, depending upon what the weather's doing.
Right, we're in the middle of a bay somewhere in Montenegro, October, and it's 25 degrees. Well, it was earlier.
Yeah. Don't know if it is now.
No?
The sea's still warm.
Okay.
Whew, that's got me gold.
Oh,
Nice?
it's salty.
No, the sea, salty.
Yeah.
You do surprise me. That was a longer walk than down.
Did you know where I was going in?
Yeah, I could see you.
Whoa! You going in?
Yeah, if you like. Oh, lovely. And you're right, it is salty. Oh. Sunbathing on the sea.
Yeah, like a baked fish, like sand eels or something. That's what they mimic. This bait,
I think you need to do something with your paddle though, because it's sort of wobbling about.
This
like,
one?
Yeah.
It's right by my side.
Okay. In fact, it's not particularly comfortable sitting here today.
Yeah.
I don't think I want to sit here much longer anyway. Just come into Woodford Old Town, another citadel. There's the harbour down there. And unlike all the other places we've been to so far, it's really quiet.
Somewhere for breakfast.
Get a croissant or something.
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh look, guess what we found?
Too early for a beer?
It is, I'm afraid. So we just have to go to the bakery instead. What do you want?
Hot dog, and you're having a chocolate croissant?
Interesting pool over there. Linked to the hotel above the sea. A bit mucky at the moment. She's getting her first ever holiday wash. She's already had a pre-wash. Only I thought of recording that, but I haven't. So I'm in swap racing now. Getting a nice bit of wax put on her now. Okay, there she goes, having her final rinse. And look at that, spotless. So, I don't know how much I recorded before of the old town of, what's it called again? Kotor. But this is it. Little side streets, steep steps,
Up to people's front doors.
people's front doors, yeah. Restaurants, little shops, a Venetian military hospital.
Kotor cat.
Yeah, lots of cats. There's the walls, the city walls. I don't know. Go up them and see. There's the fortress going all the way up there. Right up to the top of the cliff. It's a massive thing. I bet it was enormous.
Hello.
A lot of traffic in this town.
So we're now on a ferry crossing the Bay of Kotor, but the ferry only cost €7.50.